The Honda Prelude is making a comeback. Once a beloved sporty coupe, it's set to return as a sleek hybrid two-door. The concept car looks production-ready, promising a fun driving experience reminiscent of its iconic past. The 2026 Prelude will be a fresh addition to Honda's lineup, replacing the discontinued coupe versions of the Civic and Accord. While exact production timing is unclear, anticipation builds for its arrival in the 2026 model year. Expected to start at $31,000, the Prelude will likely range up to $38,000, depending on trim and options. It aims to compete with affordable sports cars like the Toyota GR86 and Mazda MX-5 Miata, offering a sporty yet economical choice. Honda has revealed the Prelude concept features a hybrid powertrain. It's expected to share components with the CR-V and Accord, possibly delivering more than 204 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is likely standard, but an all-wheel drive option isn't ruled out. The Prelude's return is exciting for fans and newcomers alike. As we await more details, the blend of nostalgia and modern innovation promises a thrilling addition to Honda's lineup. Stay tuned for more updates on this iconic revival.